present AVDrone component implemented within the Marvel project. AVDrone component consists of DJI Matrice 600 and Pro drone, custom designed load carrier, mini PC, power supply for all components integrated within this carrier, and finally camera which can be attached to capture video below the drone. DJI Matrice 600 Pro drone has a total weight of 9.5 kilos and can carry additional load up to 6 kilos. With standard 6-pack of batteries and the maximum load of 6 kilos, the drone provides a hovering time of 16 minutes, which increases by reducing the load to the maximum of 32 minutes for unloaded drone. AVDrone component with all equipment attached can fly around 20 minutes. We have two sets of batteries. They provide around 40 minutes of flight time with one landing. Custom designed load carrier is modular. Additional shelves can be added optionally. Mini PC is Intel NUC with latest generation CPU and 16 GB of RAM with SSD disk and integrated Wi-Fi card. Custom designed power supply with lithium polymer battery. Power supply is designed to power up mini PC and a few additional devices if needed. The battery has enough capacity to power up all integrated components for 1 hour. Finally, cameras such as GoPro or similar can be attached to capture a video below the drone. How things are actually functioning in AVDrone components. GoPro or similar camera is connected via USB port to drone-mounted mini PC. Mini PC is connected to Marvel Wi-Fi network. Video captured from camera is transferred via real-time streaming protocol from mini PC to access point and further to the Marvel Fog servers. Now, one AVDrone flight will be demonstrated. Instead of using real camera, we will stream in-the-loop video playing on the mini PC. In the future, we plan to test the flight with GoPro camera.